If there's any camera you can confidently rely on for your photos and videos, then it's this camera right here, the Canon 90D. The Canon 90D is a 32 megapixel DSLR camera. This camera can shoot video at 4K without cropping. It does not overheat. It has great and fast autofocus. Another cool thing I like about this camera is the touch screen. Using this camera is just like using your mobile phone. You can as well flip the screen any way you want. It has amazing color science. You can get nice and beautiful images. I've had this camera for 4 years now, and I will confidently say this camera is a workhorse. I've shot photos with this camera. I've shot music videos with this camera. This camera is truly something you can rely on. It has great battery life. The battery can go on a single charge for about 3 to 4 hours. The Canon 90D is a cropped sensor camera. It has crop factor of 1.6. A 35mm, for instance, may look like a 56mm, and a 50mm may look like 80mm, so keep that in mind. You can shoot slow motion at 120 frames per second in 1080p. This camera is for hybrid shooters, so I use it for both photos and videos. If you found value so far in this video, kindly click the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. So let's crack on. With this camera, you can get beautiful cinematic shots. Here are some of the videos I shot with the 90D. Next up is the object and face tracking. Very fast and reliable. It also has LCD screen at the top of the camera where it can easily display the aperture and the ISO you are using. I will leave link in the description if you would like to check the Canon 90D out. Another cool thing I love about the Canon 90D is the menu system. The menu system is very easy to navigate. Even if you're a beginner, you will be up and running in no time. It has inbuilt flash and hot shoe. It has HDMI mini output, external microphone jack, and headphone jack. This camera is an interchangeable lens camera, so you are not just stuck with one lens. You can change as many lenses as you would want. It uses the EF and EFX lenses. Well, that is it for this quick review. I love the design of this camera, as well as the color science for both photos and videos. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and the camera you shoot with. I will see you in the next video.